What does fog lamp warning light indicator mean? Fog light enables us to see through the fog and drive easily. It can be a very difficult situation to drive through fog. It can be really difficult to judge what is coming ahead with limited visibility. To avoid bad weather conditions, automakers have made the fog lights. These lights are placed lower to other driving lights so that there is no reflection coming back. Like other driving lights, there is a light on the dashboard which comes on in case when the fog light is on. Sometimes the light comes on for few seconds to check the bulb power. However, in some vehicles, there is a separate warning light for burned out bulbs. What to do when the fog lamp warning light indicator shows up? If the weather outside is foggy, then it is necessary to use fog lights for better visibility. However, a lot of drivers often forget to turn it off when the weather is clear. It is advised to turn off the fog lights when it is not needed so that the bulb does not burn out. If the fog lights are on without any reason, it is advised to get the same checked by a professional. Since their lifespan is very short, it might cause a problem in using them when necessary.